We have this brand new recipe for a blueberry balsamic vinaigrette. Doesn't that sound delightful? I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is with our brand new Twist and Chop food processor. It's a half a cup of blueberries, rinsed, and a tablespoon of water, so I just use those together. 3/4 cup of olive oil. You can use other if you prefer. 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar. We've got a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a tablespoon of honey, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. There we go. Set on the lid. It goes to the left. Twist in place. I'm sure that's long enough. It looks totally liquefied. The blueberries all pureed. Delicious. Look at that. So I'm going to give it a little drizzle. And give it a quick stir. Sweet, tangy, perfect for a salad, especially that has some fruit. This got some grapes, melon, chicken, lettuce. You can add some, I'll probably add some nuts for that extra little crunch. And then this blueberry balsamic vinaigrette is perfect for that. So if you love salad dressing, you guys, it is so easy to make at home, and you're gonna love this new Twist and Chop. I'll be sharing more about it soon. So keep your eyes open. See you later.